This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, physics homework number 19, questions number 4 and 5. It says a charge of 5 microcoulombs is at the origin, and a charge of 5 microcoulombs is on the x-axis at x equals 1 meter. Find the force on charge Q2. So what I've got is I've got one charge, which is going to be on the origin, so that's going to be Q1. I've got a second charge that's located 1 meter away, so that's going to be Q2. I know Q1 happens to be 5 microcoulombs. For me, Q2 is also 5 microcoulombs, and the distance between them is 1 meter. I've got 1 meter distance between those two charges. So the electric force between those charges is given with K, Q1, Q2, over R squared. For me, that is K, which is 8.98755 is what they're giving me. So I'll say 8.98755, that's K, times 10 to the 9th. Don't forget your times 10 to the 9th. You see that? So K times Q1. Well, it's 5 microcoulombs. Micro means times 10 to the minus 6th. So that's 5 times 10 to the minus 6th coulombs. I've got another one over here, 5 microcoulombs. That's going to be 5 times 10 to the minus 6th. All over the radius, well, for me, it's 1 meter squared. And that will give me some amount of force, electric, between those two charges. Now, on charge 2, it turns out that that is pushing to the right. So Q2, since they're both positive charges, this one is going to be forced in this direction, while this one is going to be forced in this direction. So this is my first one I'm looking for. That's to the right. This one, in fact, will be a positive number. But when I get to number 5, it says find the force on Q1. Well, Q1 is being forced to the left. In this problem, they want the force on Q1 to be related as a negative answer, but it's going to be the same amount, because if I just switched Q1 and Q2, I'd wind up with exactly the same number. But in this case, they're interested, since Q1 is to the left, I'm going to put it as negative, that same magnitude, that same number.